Patuloy na sinisigap ng pamahalaang maibaba ang singil sa kuryente na abot kaya ng mga ordinaryong consumers. Tiniyak ito ng National Electrification Administration kaugnay ng implementasyong programa para sa alternatibong mapagkukuhaan ng enerhiya. Alamin natin ito sa ulat ni Jackie Sai.
Itinutulak ng pamahalaan at National Power Corporation ang pagbaba ng elektrisidad sa Pilipinas. Maliban dito, nagsanib puwersa ang dalawa para magatid ng electrification sa off-grid areas ng bansa. Ipinaliwanag naman ni NPC President Froilan Tampinco ang renewable energy technology bilang isang paraan sa pagbaba ng bill sa kuryente.
What we are undertaking now is exploring and encouraging the involvement of private entities that will come in with their renewable energy technologies. If we are able to effectively achieve and manage the proper mix to suit a particular area in the off-grid, island grid areas, we in effect can bring down the cost of generating electricity.
Pinaniniwalaan rin ni NPC President Tampinco ang tulong ng fuel sa economic activities ng Pilipinas.
So if we are able to make electricity available to our communities, this will bring about their economic development.
Kaya naman binabantayan ng fuel efficiency upang maghatid ng mas mababang singil sa elektrisidad.
We will of course continue to further improve on our efficiencies and set a more effective system at monitoring our fuel utilization, because fuel is the commodity that represents our highest expense. So if we are able to have an effective control on fuel utilization by being more efficient in our operations, then it will greatly contribute to our fiscal situation. And
Inaasahan naman na sa darating ng mga taon, ang mahigit 100% electrification sa off-grid at island areas ng bansa. Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Jackie Sai.